Aloha, you're watching Plixer at Cisco Live 2025. We're in booth 1940. If you're at the show, come on by. Now the theme for Cisco Live 2025 is Go Beyond, and a lot of it, most of it, is about AI being integrated into everything in society these days. Now, Plixer has been showing off the Plixer AI this week, and I have Adam Beckman with me, and he's going to show us all about Plixer AI. So tell us first off a little bit about it before we dig into the GUI.
Yeah, sounds good. You know, it really is all over today. I got off the plane and there was a big sign, AI, Cisco, come on over and see it. And so what we're doing is, Plixer already today is designed to help teams get to the data fast and effectively, right? What we've done with AI is made it even faster. Whether it's parsing the data, getting the results and reports you want, or now it's just simply navigating the product.
Right. So can we take a look?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Let's go. Take it away, Adam.
Yeah, so what we're looking at here is just the dashboard. Now this, if you notice, there's something new on this page that you probably haven't seen before. The bottom right of the screen is a little AI logo. So this is going to be on almost all the screens we have in the product now. And this is kind of a quick access into our Plixer AI. So what I will do is I'll click on this and it brings up, kind of a prompt. Now if you're a user of ChatGPT or any of the other LLMs out there, you'll be familiar with it. It's where you can enter in your instructions, right? You ask the product a question. So I'm going to start with just a simple, let's run a report, right? So I'm going to ask it, let's show me the top conversations. So I'll say, show me the top conversations, and we'll let it run. And what that's going to do is, normally as a user, if I wanted to see this, I would have to navigate to it. I'd have to, first off, let's click on Run Reports, select my exporters, then I'd have to pick the right report type for top conversations, run it, and I get my results. This saves me time. I don't have to know the product very well. I can be a new face using the product for the first time, or maybe I don't remember how to navigate to it. This does it for us.
So just like that, the report is ready.
So now we're looking at top conversations report. Now from this, I can continue to refine this using the AI. So I can continually ask it questions. I can say, let's filter in on a particular application, or let's change the time frame. I can do all of that through the AI prompts, as well as I would normally do it through the standard UI. Now one other thing I want to highlight here as we kind of move away from report running is let's look at navigating the product. Let's say that I'm an admin and I just got a brand new probe that I want to set up. Well, normally, you set this up when you first get the products, and you may not set one up for a couple of years, right? So now I want to set up a new probe. I don't remember how to do that. I can go look at the product, or the product manual. That's going to take time. So instead, I'll just say, help me set up a new Flow Pro. Now it's going to navigate for me, right? It's been a while since I've set this up, so I may not remember where to do that. So now it says, okay, looks like you're trying to set up a Flow Pro. Well, here's a couple of ways we can do that. So I'll say, oh, you know what? It's a probe, not a license. Let's click on the probe. And it's like that, we're there. Now I'm at the page where I would set up my probe. And it also gives me documentation links to be able to do that.
Nice. Oh, now we're into the...
Yeah. So from here, I would set up my probe, right? So now I could come in here and add a new probe, just like I would do. But of course, I don't remember how to get here, so the AI helped me get there.
Sweet. That was pretty cool. So I understand this is just phase one of the Plixer AI rollout. So what are some of the things we're working on and that customers can look forward to?
Yeah, great question. It's really cool stuff, right? So for starters, there's a couple of things we're adding, or we're in the works, shall we say, that I think are really, really cool. First, one is threat summarizations. So today you notice it's mostly report generations, navigating the product. In the future, we're going to be able to look at threats and other alarms to help kind of distill that down to questions that are asked.
Nice.
Secondly, we're able to align to customer frameworks. So if a customer wants to use a MITRE framework or SOC framework or NIST or something, responses can be tailored to match those frameworks as well.
And I also understand that we got playbooks in the works too, right?
Absolutely. So if a customer has playbooks on how to respond to certain threats or certain detections or certain issues, those can be built into the AI as well to help you navigate that playbook.
And then finally, I was hearing earlier, maybe you can talk a little bit to it, if customers have their own enterprise AI, they're able to integrate within our solution, is that right?
Yes, that can be a very hot topic depending on who you talk to, right? Because privacy, cloud, AI, there's a lot of, it's up in the air still, right? So first of all, we use Amazon Bedrock as a back end to this, so there's a lot of confidentiality around that and how it's used. That puts a lot of minds at ease. But for those that really want the ultimate level of security and confidentiality, if they have their own AI engines, their own LLMs, you can point our product at that and leverage their own AI, so that those requests and the data doesn't ever leave their network.
Sweet. And make sure it's not connected to SharePoint on the back end, folks.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
So a little bit about Plixer AI here at Cisco Live in San Diego. Really appreciate the time, Adam.
Anytime.
Good to see you, and good to see you there behind the lens. Hope you're enjoying our content this week from the San Diego Convention Center. For my pal Adam, I'm Peter, and we're with Plixer. Thanks for watching. Shaka. And we're out.